Hey, welcome back to the GOTRAX channel. We're going to be talking about the brand new electric scooter, the Apex. We're going to be talking about all of its brand new features, and of course we're going to be unboxing this thing, so let's get into it. Alright, so it looks like we're going to come with a quick guide, basically kind of telling you how to use that charger, use everything like that. Got some nice big pictures for everyone to see. Boom, charging unit right here. Some of this styrofoam. Jesus. Got this cord right here, which we will figure out what this is. We'll walk through that. Also got ourselves an Allen's wrench and the 2 screws that you will need. I'm gonna try to get this guy open. Sweet. That is going to be everything in the box. We got everything right here. We're going to go through how we're going to attach all of the certain things that we need to attach. Like I said, coming with our manual right here. Also got our quick start guide, charger, cords, and of course the scooter. So far so good. The new color we're trying to go for is this nice black and the green on this thing right where the GOTRAX. That's looking sleek. Super excited about this. Oh, this would be important right here. Also, another really big feature that we are going to have is right here. We got the brand new LCD screen. Okay, this thing is a lot bigger. Goal is to try to make it bigger to show the numbers, all the certain things. A lot of people are talking about how it's too small. We tried to boost the size of it so everyone can see what we're looking at right here. Alright, so the assembly for these things is going to be super easy. Like I said, we do have the user manual that will be provided in the box with the Apex. Let's time lapse this. I'll show you how to build it. I'll go through some of the steps. If there's any hard parts, I'll slow it down and talk you guys through it, alright? Kind of into a little bit of a hard part right here. Ooh, am I recording? I think I am. I am. Little green wire, kind of hard to see. This right here, awesome. You guys see it? Great. Boom. Right here on the tiller hood, same thing. Little green wire. All you're gonna do, grab that, line everything up correctly. Look at that. Boom. Power's on. Once you get the beep, it'll be like beep. That means your scooter is on. And you just slide that right there. Sweet. So this is where it's going to come into. Right here. Allen wrench, 2 Allen's wrench screws. These are going to go right into the holes on the tiller hood right there. So pop that open. We're going to drop those out. Okay. Super easy. Alright, sick. That is locked and loaded. Very cool. I don't know if you guys have ever unscrewed a brake before. It's basically the same thing. Luckily, everything's going to be in the directions. Let me make sure. So, take the card and attach to the hook towards insert. String the small cord through the small pit. So, I was right. I guess I just was doing it wrong. Sick. There you go. Brand new working brake right there for that Apex. Alright, so now I'm going to go over a couple of the details here for the brand new Apex scooter. I need to pull my notes out. Alright, so like I said, one of the biggest things that we've changed on this scooter right here is the upgraded console boasts a very bright headlight and a larger display. This is going to keep, like I said, you're going to be able to see your speed, see your battery life a lot better, a lot brighter. That is why we added this brand new big display onto this thing. Better battery life is going to be another huge feature that we've added onto this Apex scooter right here, featuring a 36V 6.0 AH battery. The Apex can travel up to 15 miles and only takes a charge time of 4 hours to get full battery life. The battery is now located in the deck and it is for more stability. This is a powerful motor, guys, a real powerful motor. 250 watt motor, provides high torque but maintains a low power consumption. The goal with this brand new battery and keeping that nice torque that the GOTRAX scooters has, we want to make sure it conserves the batteries. That is why most of our scooters are kick to start scooters. It's important to know that if your scooter is not going or if it's not moving and you can't figure out and you're pulling down and you're like, I don't know why this scooter is not moving. It's supposed to be electric. You got to kick to start the scooter. This is for battery consumption, but just remember to kick to start the scooter. Let's see if I can get it to flash. I don't know. Boom. Boom. You see that? One thing that I do notice about this scooter especially are these tires. It's kind of hard to tell right now. I'll probably bring the camera over here in a second to show you. They have a lot of grip. They're really firm too, a lot thicker, which is exciting because the bigger the wheel, smoother the ride, lots of grip. So I'm thinking this thing might be able to really take on some really bumpy streets and you might not be able to feel any of that, which is going to be huge. It's super exciting to get real cool products like this, especially to be able to share them with you guys on YouTube. And like I said, I'm really excited to see what you guys have to say about this. So, like, subscribe, share this video. You guys have any questions about any of our scooters, make sure to comment on this video or any of our videos. We try our best to take a look at these, answer all the questions. If there's any sort of troubleshoot questions, please send them our way. I love to read them. I love to see what you guys are doing with our scooters. And that's it. I will see you guys in the next video.